Your grandparents kept these items under the sink, in the shed, and on the spice rack without thinking twice. No tactical labels, no YouTube sponsorships, no $200 price tags. Just cheap, unglamorous supplies that quietly handled every emergency life threw at them. Today, those same items are disappearing from American store shelves, regulated out, discontinued, or simply forgotten because the market moved on. We're counting down all 10, saving the most surprising for last. One item on this list does 5 things no other single product can match. The military has known about it for 50 years. Most civilians have never heard of it. Number 1. Activated charcoal powder. No doctor, no ambulance, no hospital within reach. And someone just swallowed something dangerous. Activated charcoal is the #1 poison treatment in emergency medicine worldwide. The extreme temperature processing creates millions of microscopic pores that physically trap toxic compounds before they reach the bloodstream. Given within an hour, it neutralizes most common poisons. The WHO recommends it. Every ER stocks it. A year's supply costs $10. It's disappearing because the supplement industry repackaged it into capsules at 5 times the markup. Capsules are useless in emergencies. You need tablespoons of loose powder. Medical-grade charcoal is being absorbed into hospital supply chains. Buy food-grade USP powder only. 1 pound gives 9 or more adult emergency doses for around $15. Number 2. Alum. Your survival filter is worthless if the water entering it looks like chocolate milk. It clogs within seconds and dies. Alum, potassium aluminum sulfate, solves that problem instantly. A pinch into brown water, 2 minutes of stirring, 15 minutes of waiting. Every suspended particle clumps together and sinks to the bottom, leaving crystal clear water ready for filtration. Municipal water treatment plants do this exact process on industrial scale. Alum has been in American spice racks for over a century and is vanishing as grocery stores cut slow-moving SKUs. Many locations carry it seasonally or not at all. Skip the spice aisle. Indian grocery stores sell the same compound for about $2 a block that lasts years. One critical note: alum clarifies water but doesn't kill pathogens. That's the final item's job. Number 3, strike anywhere matches. Lighters fail at altitude. Butane barely vaporizes below freezing. Ferro rods demand dry tinder and steady hands in conditions that guarantee neither. Strike anywhere matches light on a rock, a zipper, or a boot sole. Phosphorus sesquisulfide meets friction, and fire appears regardless of weather or conditions. One brand remains: Diamond. Every other manufacturer has permanently discontinued them. Diamond runs a single factory navigating UN 1331 hazardous material shipping restrictions that most carriers refuse to handle. Walmart doesn't stock them. Target doesn't either. Your hunting ground is Ace Hardware, True Value, and rural general stores. 10 boxes of 2,500 matches runs $30 to $50. Wax dip half for waterproof storage. Warning: never buy these on Amazon. Most listings are mislabeled safety matches that won't light on anything except the box. Number 4. Food-grade diatomaceous earth. You sealed your grain storage perfectly. 6 months later, you open it, and it's moving. The eggs were already inside the rice when you bought it. Microscopic, invisible, and completely standard. Your airtight container gave them a climate-controlled nursery to hatch undisturbed. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is fossilized algae whose silica shells look like a field of broken glass under a microscope. The microscopic particles lacerate insect exoskeletons on contact, shredding the coating that keeps moisture inside the bug. The insect dehydrates within 48 hours through physics alone. No chemicals, no poison. 1 cup per 50 pounds of grain protects your entire food storage. Critical warning: pool-grade DE contains over 60% crystalline silica that causes permanent lung damage. The label must say food grade. Tractor Supply carries 10 pounds for around $12. Number 5. Wool military surplus blankets. Synthetic fleece has a dangerous secret. One spark near a fire, and it melts, liquefies, and fuses to skin. Cotton soaks through and becomes a hypothermia accelerator that pulls heat away from your body. Wool retains 80% of its insulating value when completely saturated. The naturally crimped fibers create air pockets that trap heat even when soaking wet. Near fire, wool self-extinguishes. A spark lands and goes out rather than spreading. The supply is finite and actively shrinking. The military switched to synthetics in the 2000s, and what remains in surplus stores is Cold War stock. When the last crate empties, it's permanently gone. A Pendleton blanket costs $200. The surplus version is genuinely tougher and costs $25 for now. Search Coleman's Military Surplus, Army-Navy stores, and eBay for genuine U.S. military markings with NSN numbers. Number 6. K1 kerosene. When the grid fails for weeks, wood becomes everyone's obvious answer, and every desperate person within 10 miles reaches the same conclusion simultaneously. Trees get stripped within days. K1 kerosene heated every American farmhouse before the electrical grid existed. 1 gallon delivers 12 to 14 hours of room heat in a simple wick heater with no moving parts to fail. It stores 5+ years in sealed, opaque containers, while gasoline turns to varnish in 6 months. The infrastructure to buy it is being physically demolished. Gas stations are ripping out kerosene pumps, a 40% drop in pumping locations over the last decade. Search kerosene near you on GasBuddy right now. Most cities return 1 result or 0. Buy in September before heating season drives prices up 30%. 10 gallons in a blue container from Tractor Supply runs $50 to $70. Number 7. Borax. That green box sitting in the laundry aisle has roughly 50 legitimate survival applications your grandmother used without thinking twice. Mixed with sugar, ant and roach colonies collapse from the inside within days. Dissolved in water and used to soak fabric, it creates fire resistance. It works as metalworking flux for soldering, a mold and rust killer, a soap booster when cleaning supplies run scarce, and a food preservative used for centuries before refrigeration existed. The EU classified borax as a reproductive toxin in 2010 and banned consumer sales entirely. The US hasn't followed yet, but consumer groups are actively pushing for restrictions, and shelf space is already quietly shrinking. Some Walmart locations have dropped it without announcement. 20 Mule Team is the last major consumer brand remaining. $5 per box, doesn't expire, 3 boxes while they're still available. Number 8. Genuine canning lids. Jars last forever. Rings are reusable, but lids compress once, 1 use, new lid every batch. And 40% of Ball-compatible lids on Amazon are Chinese counterfeits with sealing compound that's too thin and rim dimensions that are inconsistently sized. A counterfeit lid that fails inside a pressure canner doesn't just waste food, it creates a botulism incubator. Clostridium botulinum thrives in exactly the sealed, low-oxygen environment a canning jar provides. Nanograms of the toxin can kill an adult. Buy in-store only. Flip every box. It must say Made in USA. No country of origin marking means it isn't genuine. Walmart in-store, Ace Hardware, and Ball's own website are safe. For long-term use, Tattler reusable lids are BPA-free, US-made, and reusable indefinitely. In any extended disruption, genuine canning lids become serious barter currency. Number 9. Pure paraffin lamp oil. Flashlight batteries last 20 hours, then you're burning through your stockpile. Candles produce the light output of a depressed firefly, tip over easily, and burn out in hours. 1 quart of pure paraffin lamp oil delivers 45 hours of bright, steady light. A gallon delivers 180 hours. Over a week of lighting your home 8 hours nightly for about $35. The per-hour math embarrasses every alternative completely. Shelf life is indefinite. It doesn't degrade or evaporate. Buy it today, and it performs identically in 10 years. LED lighting killed the retail market, and manufacturers are steadily scaling back production. What remains in most stores is citronella, outdoor stuff that produces toxic fumes indoors. Pure paraffin creates minimal soot, zero odor, and is completely safe inside. Lehman's always stocks it. Pair it with kerosene from item 6 for complete heat and light coverage under $100. Number 10. Potassium permanganate. Those dark purple crystals sitting in aquarium stores. 5 survival functions. 1 bottle, under $10. Here's everyone. Water purification. Add to water until it turns light pink. Wait 30 minutes. The oxidizing action destroys bacteria, viruses, and organic contaminants molecularly. Pink means working. Clear means finished. No test strips required. Fire. Small pile of crystals, a few drops of drugstore glycerin, and within 20 seconds you have spontaneous combustion. No match, no lighter, no spark. The military's SERE survival program teaches this as a legitimate field technique, functioning in rain, snow, and sub-zero temperatures. Wound antiseptic, diluted to light pink and applied to cuts. It kills surface bacteria the same way it kills waterborne pathogens. Antifungal, a light pink foot soak for 15 minutes, treats fungal infections that can make walking impossible in survival situations. Rescue signal, scattered on snow, it creates vivid purple contrast visible from thousands of feet by search aircraft. It's disappearing because the DEA tracks bulk purchases, legal to own, but used in cocaine processing abroad, so retailers face reporting requirements and quietly pull it from shelves. Find it at aquarium supply stores, chemical suppliers like Loud Wolf, or Amazon. 1 bottle plus glycerin runs under $20. Activated charcoal, alum, strike anywhere matches, diatomaceous earth, wool blankets, kerosene, borax, genuine canning lids, paraffin oil, potassium permanganate. Under $400 for all 10. No tactical gear, no shiny kits, no sponsorships. Just the unglamorous old-school supplies quietly leaving shelves without any announcement. Your grandparents kept every item on this list without thinking twice. The question is whether you'll have them before you actually need them. Hit like, subscribe for daily videos, and drop a comment. Which item are you going after first?